Hey friends, I'm Chaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. In this video today, I will review the latest product from the famous Carlinkit company. This new model is called 2air and it's actually an upgraded device that enables wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto functionality in your cars. This is supposed to be a much faster, stable and reduced lag model. Now let's first do the unboxing of this device and then I will take it to my car and test the performance of this new 2air model from Carlinkit. So keep watching guys. Alright friends, so now let's do the unboxing of this Carlinkit 2air wireless USB adapter. Now as you can see, it comes in this plain white box with a sleeve. So let's take off the sleeve. White box, let's open it. Alright, so this is the adapter. We'll come back to this in a while. Let's check out the other contents of the box. Alright, so we get user manual. This will help you to connect the mobile with the device. And then you've got two cables. So you've got a type C to type C cable. This is what you need for cars with a type C plug. And then you've got a type C to type A. Most of the Japanese cars have a type A connection. Most of the European cars would have a type C connection. Alright, so you connect one end to the device and the other end goes to the connection in your car. Alright, so now let's look at the adapter. Now, first thing I can say is it's very, very lightweight. Compact. As you can see, it's very small, all plastic body, that's why probably it's very light. So you've got the connection for the USB cable here, and then on the sides you've got this spacing for the ventilation so the device, the chip doesn't heat up. But that's it guys. So a very standard kind of a design, black color, very small, compact and lightweight. Now let me take this out to my car, connect it, and then we can start testing the different functions and features and the performance of this new CarPlay model from Carlinkit. Alright friends, so I've got the Carlinkit 2air adapter with me here. Now I will connect this with my car using the cable. Alright, so I've connected the device with the car. Now what we need to do is actually go to the iPhone or the Android mobile, depending on which connection you want, either CarPlay or Android Auto. And then you need to open the Bluetooth, look for a new device called AutoKit FB1. Now keep in mind that you will not see anything, any menu on the screen. You just have to directly connect the device with your mobile using the Bluetooth. So we click on this AutoKit FB1 and then in a few seconds it will automatically connect to Apple CarPlay, and it might ask you for a few messages. So like this one is asking me, do I need to use CarPlay? I say yes. You might get a couple of other messages as well. But as soon as you click on use CarPlay, it will automatically detect the connection and take you to the home page of Apple CarPlay. Now again, this is a one-time setup. You just need to establish this setup once, and then every time you switch on the car, the device will detect the connection with the mobile. As long as the Bluetooth is on, it will take you directly to the home page of Apple CarPlay. And we will test that later on. So guys, this is the main homepage of Apple CarPlay, and now this is the standard Apple CarPlay layout. Now if you have a bigger screen, this will come in a full screen. There is the limitation in my car screen, I cannot actually remove this part, but in my other car actually I can get a full screen view. So that's quite nice. So this is a standard view. The applications that are installed on your mobile will appear here. Only the ones that are compatible with Apple CarPlay would appear. Things like YouTube or Netflix, Instagram, Facebook, all those apps are not compatible with Apple CarPlay, so they would not appear on this main screen here. But these are all the standard ones. What I will do is just test a few of them. I don't want to do a full test. If you want to know more about how to use CarPlay and the functionality, you can go and watch my other videos. But in this video, the whole idea is to actually test the performance and the speed of this new upgraded CarPlay device from Carlinkit. So let's start testing a few things. Let's first test Siri. Hey Siri, take me to Dubai Mall. All right, so Siri is working, navigation is also working, which is quite nice. So let's go back. Hey Siri, play some music.
Here's some music from your Apple Music library.
All right, so the music is also working. I can use the steering wheel control to increase or decrease volume. So that's quite nice. Okay, let's stop the music. Hey Siri, call Ibster.
Calling Ibster home.
إن الهاتف المتحرك الذي طلبته مغلق.
Alright, so the calling is also working. I've got my other mobile which I've just switched on, so that's why I'm getting a switch off message, but the calling option is also working. So all in all, I think everything seems to be working fine. This is the standard CarPlay, so nothing special about it. You can actually go to the settings and change the look and feel and the appearance and the wallpaper, but other than that, it's a standard CarPlay system. Now what I would do is actually try to unplug the device and then plug it back in, and the whole idea is to see if this automatically connects and takes us directly to the home page of Apple CarPlay, and how much time would that take, right? So I've got my stopwatch ready here. I will unplug the device now and then plug it back in and also start the timer. All right, so it automatically reconnects, so that's test 1, and then it takes about 27 seconds to take you to the main home page of the device, which is quite good. I always say anything less than 30 seconds is quite decent speed for these kind of devices, so quite happy with the Apple CarPlay so far. Now let's connect Android Auto. Now the steps are exactly the same, so you get your Android mobile. I've got my Samsung here. Just go to the Bluetooth, and then we should be able to see a new device. There you go. So AutoKit FB1, click on that, pair the device, and that's it. It's just very simple, and now in a few seconds we should be able to see the home page of Android Auto. There you go. So this is the main home page of Android Auto system. This is a new Cool Walk version, and this is the main landing page. So it opens with the map, but you can click on this icon here that takes you to the split screen view of the map and the media. But if you click on these dots right at the bottom, it takes you to the full app view. So these are all the different apps that are available on Android Auto. Now again, keep in mind that only the apps that are compatible with Android Auto would appear here. Again, you can go to settings, change the look and feel, add a wallpaper, change the icons, change the way it is displaying. You can do all those layout changes. You've got voice input as well, just like Siri, and then you've got calling, you've got the settings here as well. So these are all the standard ones. Probably we can try to make a call.
مرحبا بكم في اتصالات.
All right, so you can make calls as well. And then you've got the rest of the items here as well. I'm not going to do a full review of Android Auto. You can go and watch my other videos if you want to know the functionalities and the benefits of Android Auto. The whole idea here is to just test the performance of this device in terms of the connection, the speed, and the layout, and everything seems to be fine, right? As soon as the device connects it with Android Auto, then it's the Android Auto system. So you can play around with whatever you want to do. This is the navigation. So guys, if you want me to test anything special in Android Auto or the wireless CarPlay, let me know and I'll do that test for you and then probably share it back with you via WhatsApp. But this is a standard one. Now what I wanted to do, again, just like the way we did in CarPlay, is to see how much time this would take when we have to switch on the car, right? When we switch on the car, does this directly go to the Android Auto screen, 1, and 2, how much time would that take? All right, so now let me unplug the device. And then at the same time I just want to have my stopwatch ready here, so I will unplug the device and then plug it back in and then start the timer. Alright, so again around 30 seconds. very similar to the CarPlay. So CarPlay was maybe around 27 seconds. This is 30 seconds, so more or less the same. The good thing is that it automatically reconnects and takes you directly to the home page of Android Auto. I really like that option. Alright, so the last test I would like to do, just for my curiosity, is to see if I have both my iPhone and Samsung Bluetooth switched on, and then I plug in the device, which one would it connect to? Alright, so let's do that test. So I've unplugged the device. Now just making sure I have Bluetooth switched on both the devices. Yes. Alright, so it connects with Android Auto. Now, probably the reason is that Android Auto was the last device that I connected. So I tested the CarPlay first, and then I tested Android Auto. So if you have both mobiles connected, the device will automatically detect the last connection and take you to either the CarPlay or the Android. In our case, it was Android Auto. So guys, this was it. This was a very quick review of this new Carlinkit 2air wireless CarPlay and Android Auto model from Carlinkit. And as usual, you know, this is such a good company. They make such nice stable products, and they've made another one. You know, one thing I really like about this one is the size. It's so small. If you are interested in this new model from Carlinkit, just go to the link in the description of this video that takes you directly to the official store of Carlinkit, where you can buy this new Carlinkit 2air wireless adapter.